Hello everyone, welcome to step-by-step lesson to help your kids with computer science number 4. Today we are going to talk about transferring data between computers. Okay, let's get started. Moving data. There are various ways to transfer data between computers. Emails can be used to attach pictures, documents, and other files to a message. There are also systems such as Google Drive or Dropbox that allow people to upload large files and folders to the cloud. This can be shared with others through a link to the upload file, which can then be downloaded or even edited online. Removable storage. You can also move files between computers through storage devices such as USB pen drives and removable hard drives. Data can be stored on memory cards, which can be plugged into computers to be read. Saving and backing up. Computers and applications can crash without warning. To avoid losing important work, it's good practice to save a file frequently while working on it. It's also useful to back up files using either a separate hard disk or an online backup service. These services are a part of cloud computing, where people use the storage facilities of a specialist provider to save data. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.